Dive deep into the mesmerizing world of aquatic wonders with this exciting video showcasing the top 10 rarest fish species on the planet. From elusive deep-sea dwellers to vibrant reef inhabitants, discover the beauty and uniqueness of these extraordinary creatures that few have ever seen. Join us on an unforgettable journey as we uncover the secrets of these rare fish and learn about their fascinating habitats and behaviors. Don't miss out on this captivating exploration of nature's hidden treasures. Number 10. European Sea Sturgeon. The European sea sturgeon, a critically endangered fish that was once widespread in Europe, now only survives in a single basin in France. There are only 800 individuals remaining of this species, which were previously on the brink of extinction before a breeding program successfully increased their numbers. Thanks to conservation efforts by the French government, the European sea sturgeon is still in existence today. The European sea sturgeon is a large fish that can grow up to 6 meters, 20 feet, long and weigh as much as 400 kilograms, 880 pounds. It has a wedge-shaped head with a pointed snout and barbels on its face. The fish is olive brown on its back and white on its belly, with 5 rows of large bony plates along its body. The European sea sturgeon is able to thrive in both freshwater and saltwater habitats, a trait known as diadromous. While it predominantly resides in the sea, it travels to rivers for mating purposes. This carnivorous fish feeds on crustaceans, worms, and mollusks, utilizing its barbels to hunt for prey in the underwater mud and sand. Number 9. Small-tooth sawfish. The small-tooth sawfish, a member of the Pristidae family, is a type of cartilaginous fish similar to rays and skates. One of its most unique features is its long, saw-like rostrum, lined with sharp, modified scales which it uses for hunting and feeding. This shark-like creature uses its rostrum to slash prey into pieces and also as a defense mechanism against predators. The small-tooth sawfish is easily recognizable due to its smaller teeth, which is where it gets its name from. This species can reach an average length of 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and is typically found near the coast of Florida. Unfortunately, it is considered critically endangered with only 250 to 500 individuals left in the world, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Number 8. Kissing loach. The kissing loach, a critically endangered fish native to Japan, can only be found in a few rivers and migrates to flooded paddy fields for breeding. With less than 800 individuals remaining, the species is at risk of extinction. Without ongoing conservation efforts, the kissing loach populations will likely disappear entirely. The kissing loach is a tiny fish that can reach a maximum length of 6 inches. It has a slender, dark brown body with lighter brown stripes, a pointed head, and 6 barbels near its mouth. These barbels are equipped with taste buds to help the fish locate food in muddy waters. The kissing loach feeds on mudworms and scavenge to survive. Number 7. Giant sea bass. The giant sea bass, found in California, USA, is a huge fish that can reach over 7 feet in length and weigh up to 700 pounds. When young, it has an orange body with black spots, but as it grows older, its color changes to bluish-black with larger spots and a white underside. Its color can even shift to light gray as a warning to other giant sea bass about predators. Despite being called a bass, this fish actually belongs to the wreckfish family. It inhabits depths between 10 and 40 meters and can be found in various habitats such as sandy bottoms, kelp beds, rocky reefs, and ridges where it ambushes its prey. Its diet includes crustaceans, rays, skates, squid, fish, and sometimes kelp. The giant sea bass is facing a critical endangerment, with only around 500 individuals left in the ocean. Number 6. Tequila splitfin. The tequila splitfin is a tiny fish unique to a small pond near Mexico's Tequila volcano. Once believed to be extinct in the wild due to being kept as pets, they have now been reintroduced successfully and can be found in the wild in numbers of 500 or fewer. The tequila splitfin exhibits sexual dimorphism in terms of physical characteristics, with males typically being smaller in body size at only 3 centimeters compared to females who can grow up to 5 centimeters. This allows males and females to be distinguished from each other based on size differences. Both genders of the tequila splitfin have olive bodies, with males having a darker coloration. The males also have an orange C-shaped band on their caudal fin, while the females' fins are transparent. As for their diet, tequila splitfins are carnivorous and primarily feed on small aquatic invertebrates and insect larvae. Number 5. Adriatic sturgeon. The Adriatic sturgeon, also known as Accipensa nacarii, is from the same genus as the European sea sturgeon and can be found in the Adriatic Sea, which is bordered by countries like Greece, Albania, and Italy. This large fish can reach lengths of up to 2 meters and has features common to other sturgeons, such as a long body, partially cartilaginous skeleton, and bony plates covering its body. The Adriatic sturgeon is also diadromous. The sturgeon can be recognized by its body shape and color pattern, diversifying it from other sturgeons. Its diet consists of aquatic bug larvae, small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. This species is in great danger, with possibly only 250 wild fish left, according to the IUCN Red List. Number 4. Devils Hole Pupfish. The Devils Hole Pupfish, a species known as Cyprinodon diabolus, are incredibly scarce and can solely be discovered in a tiny pool located within a crack in a rocky geological structure in Nevada's Amargosa Valley. During the most recent census, only around 170 of these fish were identified in their habitat, with the lowest count previously recorded being 35. Scientists theorize that the increase in the fish population is solely due to reproduction, but 170 is still a relatively low number. These fish remain very rare and are classified as critically endangered. Algae make up the majority of their diet, although they are sometimes seen consuming small invertebrates. These fish are called pupfish because of their playful behavior, similar to puppies, and they live in an area known as Devil's Hole, a crack or fissure in the ground. Number 3. Red handfish. The red handfish, with less than 100 individuals remaining, is considered to be in critical danger of extinction. These unique fish are confined to 2 small areas of coral in southeast Tasmania, Australia. These tiny creatures have an average length of 6 centimeters, 2.4 in, to 8 centimeters, 3.2 in, and cannot swim like other handfishes. Instead, they move by walking on their hand-like pectoral fins. There are 2 color variations. One is brown or white with red accents, and the other is a solid red color. Red handfish are bottom-dwelling animals often seen searching for worms and crustaceans on rocky and sandy areas. Number 2. Saccharine sturgeon. The saccharine sturgeon, also known as Accipensa micadoi, is a rare species of sturgeon that was once common in Japanese markets in the 1950s. However, its population has significantly decreased due to overfishing, and it is believed to be extinct in the wild. The IUCN reports that only 10 to 30 saccharine sturgeon remain in the world, and experts predict that it may become extinct within the next 15 years. Nevertheless, efforts are being made to breed this species in captivity. The saccharine sturgeon can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh up to 330 pounds. It has an olive-green back and a white underbelly tinged with yellow-green. Its diet primarily consists of fish, worms, and crustaceans. Number 1. Ornate sleeper ray. The ornate sleeper ray, Electrolux addisoni, is not considered to be at high risk of extinction. The exact population size is not well understood, and there have been limited studies on this species as it has only been spotted 4 times in various locations near the South African coast, making it a rare sighting. The ray was first observed in 1984. The ornate sleeper ray is part of a group of electric rays known for their ability to produce electric shocks for protection and hunting. It sustains itself by consuming Polychaetes worms and small crustaceans. It has a flat, circular body and a tail similar to a shark's. Its unique color pattern consists of a dark brown base with yellow spots and black stripes.